boys and girls, a while ago we read a story called Once Upon in Dragonland. Do you remember this story? Yeah, why do you think that it was named Dragonland? Yeah, because there's lots of dragons. But in this story, there's also people. Now tell me, boys and girls, who was in charge in Dragonland? Was it dragons or the people? Yeah, the dragons. They were the ones in charge. They made all the rules. So I think that we should write a sentence today about how the dragons rule or take charge of Dragonland. What do you say? Perfect. Yes, I'll bring this book out later today. We're going to read it. It's another type of fairy tale. So let's write a sentence about how the dragons ruled Dragonland. Oh, how about this? What was it? Okay, sorry. Dragons rule in Dragonland. Can you say that? Perfect. Let's pat it. Ready? Dragons rule in Dragonland. Awesome job. Now, what does Miss Walashek mean whenever I say that dragons rule in Dragonland? Right, they are the boss. They're the ones that decide what is okay and what is not okay. They're also in charge, right? Because they get to decide everything that they eat. How wonderful. All right, let's write our sentence. Now, dragons is kind of a tough word, but it does start with a D, like dragons. Dragons rule. What's the first sound you hear in rule? The letter R. Dragons rule in. What's the first sound you hear in? I. What letter says I? I. Good job. Dragons rule in Dragon land. What's the first sound that you hear in land? The letter L. Good job. Now let's talk about punctuation. We have an exclamation point, which we use when we're excited and saying stuff really loud and proud. We have a period, where we just use when we're just saying something real cool. Or we even have a question mark. We use that when we're asking a question. So listen to our sentence and let's decide which one it is. Dragons rule in Dragonland. Was I excited? Did I just say something? Or did I ask a question? Dragons rule in Dragonland. Yeah, I just said something. So which punctuation should I use? Right, the period. A period means we're just saying something like this, real cool. All right, let's get our magic fingers out and let's read our sentence. Here we go. Dragons rule in Dragonland. Your turn. Ready, go. Dragons rule in Dragonland. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase this so we don't get confused. Now this time I want you to use your eyes and I want you to see how many words, count how many words you see. Not sentences. We have one sentence, but how many words are in our sentence? Can you count them? How many did you count? Okay, well, let's see if you're right. Here you go. Ready? 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words, 5 words. How many words? 5 words. All right, were you right? Perfect. Awesome job. Kiss your brain. I love you, brain. Now later we are going to find out how these dragons rule and make the calls and rules all in Dragonland just in a little bit. See you soon.